have Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's press power key, choose power off and tap power off again, and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Now let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds. Release both keys as soon as Samsung Galaxy A6 logo pops up. And this is the Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see, you can read a couple of useful information at the top of the screen, and you can also hear Reboot Bootloader. You can apply updates from the ADB, you can apply updates from the SD card, you can accomplish the hard reset by choosing wipe data factory reset, you may also wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, or run graphic test. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose power off or the first option, which is Reboot System Now. So let me press power key, and right now the device is restarting and rebooting itself. Excellent, so now you can unlock the device and start using your smartphone. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.